Are you struggling with running your Apache Spark application in YARN mode? You're not alone. Many new users face this challenge, and today we're going to help you troubleshoot that pesky error. I totally get it. You've been testing your application in standalone mode, and now you want to take it to the next level with YARN. But then you hit that frustrating exception. It can feel overwhelming, but we're here to break it down together. Here's the situation. A user recently asked about the error message they received when trying to run their Spark application with YARN. They mentioned setting up the Hadoop conf dir, but still faced a connection refused exception. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So what's going on here? The error message indicates that either the Hadoop conf dir or YARN conf dir needs to be set in your environment. This is crucial for Spark to communicate with YARN properly. Let's explore how to set this up correctly. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can save you a lot of headaches when configuring Spark with YARN. To begin resolving the user's issue, the first step is to ensure that the Hadoop and YARN environment variables are correctly set. The user needs to define either Hadoop conf dir or YARN conf dir in their system environment variables. Next, the user should verify that the configuration files, such as core site.xml and hdfs site.xml, are present in the specified directory. These files are essential for YARN to function properly. After confirming the configuration files, the user should check if Hadoop and YARN are properly installed and running. This can be done by executing the command to start the YARN services. Finally, the user should run the Spark submit command again. If the connection refused exception persists, it may indicate that the YARN resource manager is not accessible. The user should ensure that the resource manager is running and reachable. Fun fact, did you know that YARN stands for Yet Another Resource Negotiator? It's a powerful tool that helps manage resources in a Hadoop cluster. Pretty cool, right? Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests that if you're running Spark with YARN, you should add a specific line to your sparkm.sh file. This line sets the Hadoop conf dir environment variable to point to the Hadoop configuration directory. Here's a pro tip. Always double-check your environment variables after making changes. A small typo can lead to big headaches down the line. And there you have it. With the right configurations, your Spark application should run smoothly in YARN mode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on Apache Spark.